Standing on the southwest coast of Zanzibar, this quiet plot in Fumba holds the beginning of something extraordinary. A center dedicated entirely to seagrass, mangroves, and the regeneration of the Indian Ocean. Today, our surveyor is here for the very first step, defining the land. Every meter, every contour, and every natural feature is recorded. This isn't just about boundaries, it's about understanding the landscape that will soon become a living classroom for the world. The Seagrass Center will be the first of its kind in East Africa, a visitor hub where science, tourism, and conservation come together. A place where anyone, from schoolchildren to international travelers, can learn how these underwater meadows store more carbon than forests, and why restoring them matters. We begin with the design. A low-impact, solar-powered building anchored by 3 spaces, a public discovery zone, a working wet lab and nursery, and an outdoor learning deck that faces the ocean itself. Inside, tourists will interact with live seagrass displays, mangrove seedlings, coral microfragments, and a restoration nursery, all built from the ground up right here. Hands-on experiences will allow visitors to plant, monitor, and adopt parts of the ecosystem they help restore. Once the survey is complete, construction begins. Foundations are marked. The main visitor building rises first, followed by the wet lab, the heartbeat of the center, and the shaded deck where daily tours and workshops will take place. Just steps from the center lie the seagrass meadows we're protecting. This coastline is one of Zanzibar's most important blue carbon zones, home to turtles, juvenile fish, and the oxygen factories of the sea. When it's complete, the Seagrass Center will be a space where tourism regenerates nature, where visitors don't just watch, they help rebuild Zanzibar's marine ecosystems, one seedling, one coral fragment, and 1 square meter of seagrass at a time. This is the beginning, a new chapter for Fumba, and a promise to protect our ocean, for all.
Hello folks, here we are. Yes, now I'm here with Mary. We've talked a lot about Mary and having the area, the plot surveyed. She's wonderful, a friend of CPS's and Baruti's and all that sort of stuff. Welcome Mary. So tell us what you're going to be doing.
Hello, my name is Mary, as he said, James. I'm a land surveyor, registered surveyor in Tanzania. Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm here today. I get this beautiful opportunity to do the topographic survey and study for this beautiful plot. What we do exactly is we just gonna measure and get details about the plot, including the topographic, how the levels different in this plot. You can see the beautiful from the result, from the highest the highest level to the lowest near the mangroves. And then we also get details like boundaries, dimensions in each corner of the plot. And also we're gonna put some details. As you can see here, we have a beautiful coconut trees, few of them. So also we're gonna include on the ground. Also you just have not only see the varies of levels, but also you can get a clear picture how actually it looks from the top to the lowest part and how the level difference in measurements, in numbers.
Ah, yes, and I checked her work before and she seems very professional, and she negotiated on the price, so we're gonna use her. She gave us a little discount. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I will send over the details when they come in, maybe the end of next week.
For sure.
And then we can start designing with Baruti and Farhan. And then we'll take it from there. But thank you very much, Mary.
Thank you, James.
And a pleasure.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.